Today's video is to show you how to wire this system. Is a Honeywell MS-5UD fire alarm control. Okay, it's not like I was thinking, because you always see they have plugged two of these batteries, but I don't know what the battery are for. So this system is work with 110 volts. So this we are going to plug a power cord to the 110 volt plug, and then we are going to plug it into is on your left side right there. Okay, there are going to be the wires to turn on this system. So the hot wire is going to be right here. Let me bring it closer. The hot wire is going to be right here on the top, and then the neutral wire is going to be the middle one, and then the ground wire. So be careful when you plug your wires in. There is a thickness stick on your plug. Okay, the thickness is going to be your hot wire. So the thickness is going to be on the top, and the thinners is going to be your neutral. The thinner pin right here is going to be on your neutral right here. So be careful with that, okay? So, and then as when you plug it, your plug into the power, it will automatically turn it on the board like that, okay? And if it's making too much noise, you just push this button, alarm silent, or this button also. Any of those we make the alarm silent. Okay, and then I hope you guys this video is help you, because nobody I watch many videos and nobody wanna teach us how to wire this system in. I hope this video help you. Okay, give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you like the video. Okay, you see the 110 volt extension cord plugged into your right side, no, left side, right there. Maybe it will be covered like that, but you just open it and then plug your wire.